Guys, this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's early in the morning. It's Tuesday. So on US30 or Dow Jones 30, you can see here. If you followed my videos, you know what I'm talking about from this point. I've been preaching about this support here since I don't know, since the whole week or since last week. You can see the market just came here and just touched this support and just bounced back. If maybe you saw my analysis yesterday or day before, I hope you made something from this support. So let's zoom a bit. Let's just go, because on a 4 hour you can already see the market respected this point. So let's go to a smaller time frame and see what's really happened. So this thing, guys, really respect the support and resistance, but that doesn't mean that it won't break the support or resistance. I'm just saying that it really respects this point. You can see from this point the market was just bouncing around this point. You can see even yesterday. So even here we can expect the same thing to happen. If the market doesn't break, we can expect this the same movements, because the market is just consolidating, but on a bigger time frame. If maybe you go to a 15 minutes or whatever, maybe you will see a different picture, but I don't use 15 minutes. But here we can see yesterday we were here. I think yesterday we was around here before the market came here. Then we just touched our resistance here. Just imagine if maybe you have entered somewhere here, then your stop loss is here. You just lose few bucks, then you make like $500 from this point. So you see, if maybe your analysis, obviously your analysis won't be perfect, but if your analysis I don't know, if your analysis is very good, then you can make some like good profit from this. So but remember, these things don't happen now and then. It can happen from Monday, Tuesday, nothing, Wednesday, nothing, maybe Thursday you have another opportunity. So don't just wait for the market. I mean, don't just trade every day or just expect to trade every day. So the best thing that you can do is to analyze the market every day. Then you get used to the moves. This kind of moves, you will see what's really happening. But today we see the market is around the corner. So if we try to draw something like this, it's not necessary to draw a trend line like that, because we can see this market. If you still remember, I told you about the market is just consolidating. So but it won't be perfect. It won't just come to this point. Sometimes it's up. You can see here it's not the same as here, it's not the same as here, it's not the same as here. But if you draw your lines, they all make sense. Actually, this point, it's a zone. Remember that. Even here, this point, it's a zone. It's not just a line. So now what I'm expecting to do, but I'm just expecting to sell from this point. But I'm not saying anyone to sell. What I'm trying to see, before you analyze, obviously you should just see, okay, maybe something like this can happen, something like this might happen. So the next step is to wait for the market to reject from this point. When I say the market rejects, you can see when the market reaches here, they create a very big bearish candlestick. You can see even this point, you can see here, you can see even here, but the market did not just drop until, but you can see when the market create those big bearish candlesticks to show you that the market, there is a bearish momentum that is coming. So at the moment the market is still bullish, so we're gonna wait for that and see what really happens. So we're hoping to for the market, maybe the market will come here. If it doesn't come, because you can see here it's like another line, actually you can just wait. Actually this is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. Check this thing after 30 minutes and see if maybe there is any move, you see. So if maybe there is a move down, you can able to see, then you can enter your sell. So actually when you around this point, it's when you should just wait for the market. When it tries to create those moves, then you are in. So let's try to draw something, if maybe we can have a confirmation. But these things don't happen now and then. Sometimes we have something like this, if maybe we want to buy or we want to sell. For example, if maybe, let's see here, okay, yeah, if maybe you are strictly using something like this to enter, maybe you didn't enter around here. Obviously you won't enter around here because here it's a resistance, but you can see the market just broke here and closed above our resistance, then you just enter. But sometimes the market come and retest before it goes up. But anyway, from this point, what I do when the market just break above, I just do a pending order, because sometimes if I can wait for the market to come and retest, sometimes it doesn't come and retest. So the best way, I just place my pending order somewhere here, then I'm in. So but the best way, don't use 1 hour time frame. Use to enter, you can use 15 minutes. So this closing, it might be somewhere here, then you'll enter somewhere here. So it's easy. Then you can see all this candle, they were all bullish, so you just enter, the market just went into profit. But the thing is, at least you know what you were doing, you see. So here I still see maybe we can try to do something. If maybe for you to have a nice sell, you can draw something like this, but at the moment doesn't make sense. Let's go to a smaller time frame and see if maybe we can have, yeah, let's see, when the market touches our candlestick several times. We don't have to force these things. If it doesn't make sense, we just remove this, because we don't trade what we think or what we want the market to do. We trade what we see. So I think, yeah, maybe it makes sense a bit. Then if maybe the market cross this point, then we will expect to sell from this point. That's what I see at the moment. So because you can't just sell here, you see. But or another thing that you can do is to check candlesticks, the bearish momentum. When the bearish momentum starts, then you can see, you wait for that candle to close, then you know, then the second one you will place your sell. But let's look at something. If, because market won't just do whatever that we want. So what if maybe, sorry, what if maybe what we thinking at the moment, it doesn't happen. So you know, the best thing to trade this thing, don't tell yourself that you know the direction, because if the market take a different direction, you'll think that you end up getting bored or something. So the best thing that you can do is let the market do its thing. Then tell yourself you don't know the direction, you just know how to analyze, but not the direction. So that will ease things on your shoulders. You know, every time when you trade, when you analyze, you tell yourself, you see that the market can drop, but you don't know the direction. But if the market does something like this cross here, still you don't know the direction, but your analysis tells you that the market is going up. So that helps you when maybe you buy from this point, maybe the market goes down and you close in a loss. you won't be in a pressure when somebody maybe shows you their profit. Already you know that you didn't know the profit, but your analysis showed you that you know the direction. I mean, if you lose when you think your analysis is right, it's much better than just to be 100% sure that this is a buy. Because when you lose when you are 100% sure, you're gonna have trouble. You're gonna start to revenge trading. I don't know if maybe you know how people you start to become greedy because you thought you know, then the opposite happens. So don't get fooled by people who tell you they know the direction. They don't. They maybe they know how to analyze the market, but they don't know the direction. It's just that the market always repeat the same things at this point. If you know that, yeah, you can say, but you can't say you know the direction actually. It's just that the market repeat the same thing because the market it's us. When we see the market turn here, it's us. We try to buy from this point. So that's why the market does stuff like that. So here, if the market does the opposite, if the market doesn't sell, we'll wait for the market to break our support, our resistance here. So if it breaks our resistance, don't do anything. Wait for the market. Relax, relax. It's not a missed opportunity when the market breaks here. Wait for it to come and retest. These things happen now and then. You can see the market retested several times from this point. So it means if you missed this one, you were going to get this one or this one or this one, even this one. You see? So when the market breaks, relax, wait for it. Don't even check. The market will come. If in few hours the market will come and retest. If it's really a breakout, but sometimes it's a fake breakout. So you avoid a fake breakout by relaxing and waiting for the market to come and retest and move up. Then you will get the market. Actually, the secret to make money in forex is to relax, or you can say to wait. If you can wait in forex, then you can make money because you won't trade. You won't always be in the market, but if your time like every day you are in the market, even if you make money today, but there is a chance that you can lose tomorrow because your time is spent on the market. So from this point, guys, I don't see much here. We will wait for the market to turn from this point. If it doesn't turn, then we will wait for the market to come here. But we remember we enter only when the market come and retest and go up again. When the market tries to go up, we buy. When the market comes down, we just relax. Or maybe if you already thrown your resistance on the top, let me do something like this, because this is how US30 moves actually. Something like this, then break to the upside, does something like this again. So be ready to see moves like that. If the market breaks, if it doesn't break, then we can still sell. If you think sell is not a good idea, you can wait for the market to come here again. Maybe we can still have a nice buy, but remember this support has been tested several times, so there is possibility that the market can just drop then. Or let's look to the upside. Maybe the market can just start to go up again. So here actually you don't have to miss opportunities like this because the market is very closer to our resistance. So the best way is to check the market 20 minutes, check what's really going on. You analyze and leave stuff like this. When you analyze, you can just leave stuff like this. You know the market can do something like that. You know the market can do something. You can just wait and see. You just come 30 minutes, check if maybe anything has happened. If there's nothing, you just go do something else. Come check and something. So this way will help you to make money in forex. Especially I talk about this thing every day. Use a bigger time frame. So because smaller time frame, you will see like it's very crowded. You won't see anything. So it's better to see a bigger picture than to see like 1,000 candlesticks, which are 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You see, so the best way is stick to the rules, then the money will just follow you slowly. You see. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share. So like so that other people they can able to find this video. And don't forget to also hit the notification button so that you don't miss my daily analysis. Thank you guys. We'll talk tomorrow.